Now, when you look at terrorism, it's not just the withdrawal of states from the Niger withdrew. We're looking at the whole Sahel with the issue in Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger, and with the porous borders we have. It will be it is a hard task for the security forces. We have these countries facing these threats, and we think we'll see peace. Even if Nigeria, we are, you must have noticed that towards the end of 2023, the security situation was get improving. But immediately after the coups in these countries, that's when the situation began to get worse. Because these terrorist groups have connection across the Sahel. So Nigeria has to play that leadership role in West Africa and the Sahel to address these threats. As long as those countries keep on facing this threat, Nigeria will continue facing the brunt. If you look at the whole region, Nigeria is the richest country in West Africa. Nigeria is the only country that you kidnap somebody and ask that 100 million be paid, and it will be paid. So these people come into this country to look for means of running their operations across. So the security forces, security agencies, we are doing our best. It is a very hard task, but we are doing our best. And we need the Nigerians to believe in us. We are doing our best.